This is a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek. On this car, AC is not blowing cold. The first step, even though we think that most of the refrigerant has leaked out already, is we're going to suck out any remaining refrigerant using a AC recovery machine. In this video, we're going to replace the AC condenser. Now the AC condenser is down here. You can see it through this grill. It's in front of the radiator. And really the only way we can replace it is we're going to have to remove this entire bumper so that we can access the retaining bolts and the line that feeds the condenser. And we're going to have to remove some of these items that are up on top. So let's get started. First, I'm going to remove this air duct, and it just has a couple of plastic clips that hold it in place. For this top piece of plastic trim, I have clips here, and here, and here, and here. So after removing this piece of plastic trim, I see that I may have just enough access to remove this condenser without having to remove the entire bumper. And there, right there, you can see where the condenser is leaking, which is why we have to replace it. There, I've reached down and disconnected the bottom line. Just had a 10mm hex bolt holding it in. Now I have two retainer bolts, one on either side. This one here and this one here. They look like 12mm. This coolant bottle is going to be in the way of the line, the high pressure line from the compressor to the condenser down here, so I'm going to get this coolant bottle out of the way. I popped it right out using a screwdriver here for leverage, and now I can just lift it up and remove it. Next, I take off these radiator stays, driver's side and passenger side. It looks like I can make the job go even easier if I take off this entire cross member, and it has two bolts on either side. So moving this cross member forward a little bit and pushing the radiator back a little makes it fairly straightforward to just pull this out. I can now reach this line here and disconnect it. This is the new condenser side by side. All I have to do is transfer these foam air dams from the old condenser to the new condenser. I just used some general purpose adhesive for that. This is the part number for the new condenser. I'll include a link in the video description. And there, just like it's always been there, the secret Gorilla Glue. Everything is back together. The sound that you can hear is this little vacuum pump that is putting the system under vacuum, and we're going to hold it there for about 45 minutes. Make sure there are no leaks before refilling the system, then it'll be good to go. The system is now charged up. You can see high side pressure is a little bit over 200, and the low side pressure is, about 35 psi, and it's cooling nicely on the inside. The temperature in the cabin is in the high 40s, which is a good place for it. So that's it for this video. We've completed the repair. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please leave them underneath.